Got a surprise for y'all. Check it out.
Thank God for me.
So as you know, that is the 2003-2004 Type-S. Acura Type-S. That's the engine swap and everything else for the EP3. Now, let me show you my surprise.
There was a time I wore shame like a weight around my neck. Every road I ran down just left another wreck. I tried to drown the silence, I tried to outrun the pain, but every broken highway led me back to grace. When I was too far, you still
Give me a second to get in my thoughts. Okay. Hold that thought. Here is 2006 Acura Type-S. That one is the 04 Acura Type-S as well. That one's the K20A2, which we're going to pull the engine and transmission out of that. Then we're going to part it out, scrap the rest. This one we're fixing. So here's how this happened. So I was on Marketplace looking for stuff to fix that one, because I decided maybe we should fix it, you know? Maybe we should fix it. Then this popped up within 10 minutes. And I was like, oh shit, wow. So the history on this car. It's from California, from a military guy. He put this, let me see right here, folder intake right there. Must have been raining or something. Sucked some water up, blew the engine, but not just blew the engine. He destroyed the whole bottom end is destroyed. The block is destroyed. The crank is destroyed. The piston's destroyed. The oil pan is destroyed. Everything's destroyed. So I was thinking maybe to put that Type-S engine in here. But then got to talking with the wife. She's like, you're not keeping it original, because if you know these cars, 2005 and 6 have the K20Z1 engine, and they have the basically more an aggressive cam, more high performance. It's not much horsepower more. I think it's like between 5 and 10 horsepower more, but from the factory, you know what I mean? And then this gear ratio is a 4.7, so it's actually better transmission than the A2 Type-S 6-speed. So I was like, damn. Here's the thing. It's very, very hard to find a K20Z1 engine. Very hard. And if you find one, you're going to travel a decent amount. Because remember, it's based off of 2 years. And people want what? They want the head. Because they want to put the head on this and put it on a K24 A2 engine block. And the head is meant for more breathing, and you know, it's just overall better quality head than the K24 A2. Actually, this is like basically like Type R cams from the factory. So this one has no rust, transmission's good, clean title. He moved to New Hampshire, blew the engine. Previous owner took the bumpers because, you know, hard to find. Then he sold it because he was going to do it. And then he was like, probably look at those prices of those engines. He's like, nah. But he was gonna do the Frankenstein. Now here's what got me, man. I'll just show you this. Look at that. Look at that. When do you ever see these things that's this clean? When? Never. Never you see them this clean. You even got the original floor mats. Check this. Just beautiful, man. Look at that. Can't say no. There's the other type of floor mat's got a little hole in it, but it's all good. We figure it out. This has exhaust, K-tune parts, a whole bunch of shit. Then, now, here's the thing. This is the only flaw. So this must have been in a prior accident. You see, that's a bundle's cracked. So I'm not gonna fix that now. I'm gonna enjoy this car and drive it, you know, for now. But we will fix it. That's the only damage on this car. So we will fix it. Just not now, because I want to drive this thing. This is gonna be the daily for the daily. Please comment, share, like, subscribe. If you like trucks, we do trucks, JDM cars, all that. Oh, I gotta show you the engine. I picked the new engine up. I had to travel quite a bit for it, so I'm hoping the head is good on this thing. I mean, it's just overall so clean. Cannot pass this car up, man. I hate myself for it, but what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? You're gonna get rid of that thing there and not suck up water again, which I didn't do, but I'll show you the engine. The bottom is completely destroyed, but that's gonna be for another video. You guys stay tuned to watch, find out. All right.